Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu states, a man from Marwan's descendants was appointed the governor of Medina Munawwara. He commanded Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad to relieve Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu refused. He again said, if you refuse, then say, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu curse Abu Turab. Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu said, no name was the most favorite with Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu than Abu Turab. When he was called by it, he felt extreme felicity. The reporter said to him, tell us the story, how he was named Abu Turab. He replied, one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam came to Hazrat Fatima's house, but Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu was not at home. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked, where is your cousin? She submitted, there has occurred a tiff between me and him. So he, being furious with me, has gone out and has not took a nap with me. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to someone, go and see where he is. He came back and submitted, he is sleeping in the mosque. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam went to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu while he was still lying there, whereas his chador has fallen down from one side and that part of his body was covered with dust. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam was shaking the dust off his body and saying, O Abu Turab, get up. O Abu Turab, get up. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6179.